Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry starter. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Gather your tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a jack. Make sure your Camry is securely parked on a flat, stable surface, perhaps using jack stands for added security. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now let's locate the starter. Depending on your Camry's year, it's usually found on the passenger side of the engine, often beneath the intake manifold. You might need to remove some components for better access. Once visible, disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire. Then, carefully remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the transmission housing. Keep track of all hardware. With the old starter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into its housing, aligning the mounting holes. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications for your specific Camry model. Reconnect the solenoid wire and then the main power cable, ensuring all connections are clean and secure. Double-check everything before moving on. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Ensure it's tight and secure to prevent any intermittent electrical issues. Before fully reassembling any removed components, perform a test. Start your Camry to confirm the new starter engages properly and the engine cranks smoothly. Listen for any unusual grinding or clicking noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your starter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.